So Salesforce comes out of the box with a whole bunch of fields, right? If you want to store first name, last name, phone number, we got you covered. You don't have to do anything, right? But chances are you're storing something, you're tracking something at your business that we didn't think about. And for those times, that's where you want to use custom fields. All right, now look, you don't have to create custom fields if you don't want to, all right? But the most common use case I see for it is you're coming from some other system and you were tracking some data over there and you'd like to continue tracking it in Salesforce. If we have a standard field for you, great, just use that. But if we don't have a field, you can create your own custom field, and the good news is it's really easy to do. So let's check it out. All right, we're logged in as the admin, and we can just click the gear icon at the top of the page to open our quick settings. And then we just click on Fields. Now we pick the object we want to add our field to. These are the most common objects. You can find the full menu under the Advanced Setup option you see there. Now in this case, we're just going to add the field to the contact object. So we'll select it and hit Next. Now we pick the type of field we want. Are we storing a number, a date? Is this a checkbox or an email address or a website? Just pick the type of field you want, and here I'll pick a date field, and then give it a name. And if we want, we can provide a little help text there for our reps to see when they use the field. And we can decide if this field is required or not. All right, and we finish the wizard, and that's it. We're done. That field is now a fully functional part of your Salesforce environment, and the next time someone goes to one of those records, they'll see that custom date field right there waiting for them. Ultimately, custom fields are just a great way to make sure the data in your CRM is relevant to your business. If you're looking for more information on how custom fields work, head on over to Trailhead for more resources. Thanks.